Gonna go over here and visit my Ziggy. A little bit of grass is still remaining out here. After the rains we had during the winter, they grew. This is my Ziggy site. I come out here and visit him every so often, talk to him a little bit. He listens. In the background, all that noise you hear, that's my hubby and one of his helpers, and they're chipping away at a lot of brush and tree stems and all that need to be chipped to get rid of that big fire hazard out there. Other than that, I did help. I went and got them a rake and I got them some earplugs. So I did my part. I'm not into this rugged, play in the dirt stuff. What's on my mind? Well, it's been pretty quiet. Done my usual stuff. Day-to-day, cook, create recipes, video, and try to make some interesting footage for you guys to look at. Hopefully you enjoy it. I want to thank you all for visiting my YouTube site. I'm currently up to about 938-ish subscribers, which compared to what I had, God, even 6 months ago is pretty good. I want to thank you. Let me know what you like, and I can create more things. I love to cook. I love to do things in the kitchen. Hopefully by the end of the year, I will have hit 1,000 subscribers. That's my milestone for right now. I've got some pretty unique things on there. I did start out doing primarily barbecue, but then I extended it to a lot of my other cooking, which also includes an air fryer. It includes also doing some things with soul food, some things with just simple stuff like grilled cheese. God, it's gorgeous out here today. And you sort of turn the camera so you can see. Hey, there's me. This is a 360 going around where I'm currently parked. That's our well, which is dry. Back to Ziggy. Well, there's a lot of things that I could talk about, but I guess I'll wait. Some exciting things could be happening for me. I don't know yet. And this is regarding cooking, barbecuing. Should hear something in the next few days. And I'll surely let you guys know when I'm able to let you know. Hear the birds, in addition to all that rumble from that heavy-duty chipping stuff they got back there. Anyway, I'm gonna head back up to the house. Just wanted to come and touch bases with my Ziggy. He's been gone for over a year. Love him to death still. Every time I drive by here, I acknowledge that he's there. Hi, hey boo boo, hey love bug, all my endearments that I use for him. See you later, boo boo. In the distance, you can see the guys working with the chipper. And I'm gonna head back this way to the house. Tonight, I think I'm gonna prepare a crawfish boil. I bought some frozen crawfish. I know, I'm here in California. We don't get fresh crawfish here. It's frozen, but anyway, I bought it. I've got about 5 pounds. In addition, I've got about 1 pound of Louisiana shrimp, or so it was labeled, and it also is frozen. I've also got some mussels, and it's about a 1 pound bag of mussels. And I'm gonna do all those together. I'm gonna make a butter, lemon, garlic sauce to go with that. And it's an opportunity to just sit down at the table and